Good morning, dear children. In the previous class, we learned the basic of the Scratch application, sensing input and its execution. And today's class, we are going to continue the same lesson. And the next topic is using mathematical operators in Scratch. So we know the operators in mathematics, that we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division we have. And all these operators can be used in the programming. So mainly the program runs with the mathematical. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, everything, right? Here how we are going to use these mathematical operators here. See here, so blocks in the operators, block category are round in shape. They are light green color, coded blocks, and used in solving mathematical equations. These blocks can easily be placed in the value box any other block. Okay, so these things, dear children, all these green color blocks are defined, codes are given already. So we have drag and drop it, and where the white color is there we can give the value. When we give the value, it will do the operation. For an example, first one, addition, if you give 2 plus 2 in both places, it will give you the result 4. But whereas if you are going to learn, in high level programming language, you have to write the coding, entire coding. But here, since you are 5th standard, they have given in very short. Just they have given all the codings, they have given the blocks first, but we have to give only the value. That's what we are going to see in today's class, mathematical applications. So now let's go. We are going to open a new file in Scratch window and delete the default cat sprite. So normally what we supposed to do, when we open the sprite application, the default is cat sprite. Then we have to delete it and then select the category animal from the sprite library dialog box. We know how to insert the sprite from that. So in that sprite, we are going to select the Doug sprite from the options and click on. So we are going to insert the Doug sprite. So I have opened it for you, and we have to delete it, right? So delete the cat sprite, then insert the Doug animal, and if you are unable to find it, just in the search box type Doug. So it will come here. Then click on. When you click on, the Doug sprite has been inserted. So this you can maximize it, you can do anything in that. Okay, you can do anything in that. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. Okay, I made it 150, very small. Now what we are supposed to do after inserting Doug sprite, the next one, drag the flag block events from the event button. Where is the event? From that, just drag it, the flag clicked, we dragged. So what happens when we click the flag, it will start the performing. Okay, it will start the perform. So and then pull the say hello for 2 seconds and the say hello blocks from the look block. So what we click, look block. From the look block, what we need to click, say hello for 2 seconds, drag and leave it here, drag and leave it. And the next one, say hello for 2 seconds. This block also we have to bring it from the same look box. So I brought it downside, right? First one is when flag clicked, and the second one is say hello for 2 seconds, and the third one say hello only, right? And afterwards what we supposed to do, what will happen when we click that flag, then it will start performing the say hello, and then this one by one it will perform, right? Now the next step is click and drag that operator plus operator block from operator block category and snap it inside. You know what's the meaning of snap it inside? We have to drag and leave it inside. I'll show you now what we supposed to do. From the operator category, we have to bring that addition. Operator category, bring addition. See here, you can see all the type of operators here. plus, minus, multiplication, division, and pick out random. There are plenty, equal or less than. This is we will see in the next topic. Okay. Now we can take the addition. Now we brought it here. Then we have to snap it inside that. We have to snap it inside the hello, not first one. Here second one. Snap it hello inside. And what they say? What they say? We are going to see here. Type the text and the number inside the block as shown in the figure 9.3. As a figure is given, it's here. We have type the answer of 1 plus 1 is equal to. Let us type here the answer of, let's type 2 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 5 is equal to, what is the answer? It will show the answer now. Okay, it will show the answer. Now the next step, what are we supposed to do? We have given 2 and plus 5, right? Now plus 2, the next box is 5, right? So the answer will show. It will wait for 2 seconds, then answer will show here. Then click on the block and run the script above. Observe the sprite calculations and given numbers. Change the number and observe the sprite displaying change in the result. See here, dear children. Now what we are going to do? We are going to click here. Now let me tell you how it will execute. When it executes, when we click on flag, this one, it will say the answer of 2 plus 5 is equal to, it will show the display, and it will wait for 2 seconds. And if you want more seconds to wait, you can insert here, you can increase the number also here, and it will do the additions here. It will do the additions here, and then it will show, it will perform the answer, right? So let me show you now here. So how to perform it here? Okay, dear children, now we have done all these calculations. Now we are going to, we are ready to execute this sprite. Okay, let me keep it a full screen for that. Now we are going to click that flag. So when I click the flag, what will happen? It will automatically show the result here. So when I click, it will wait for 2 seconds, then it will execute, right? So let me click go. So it waits for 2 seconds, then shows answer 7, and then it stops. I will show once again, stop, flag, the answer of 2 plus 5 is, it is waiting for 2 seconds, then it is showing the answer. Then likewise we can do all the operations, and let me change here, we can change everything here. 10 plus 5 is equal to, what is the answer? 10. I will change it. Now I will give full screen, then flag. The answer of 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. It will update the answer automatically. It will update the answer automatically. So this is how we can do the remaining operators. So subtraction, multiplication, and division also we can do that from the operator block category. Right, dear children? And now let us see the comparing values. So comparing values, the operators block, the operator blocks palette also includes blocks to compare the numbers. In mathematics, you use less than, greater than, or equal to, or sign in to compare two numbers. Similarly, in Scratch, the less than, all the blocks can also be used, as I was showing before. See here, so less than and greater than, less than, equal to, and or we can use all the operators here. So let's create one block here. So create a script by dragging the blocks as shown in the figure 9.4. So now let's do it. So it is given already done. Let's delete this block. So let us delete this block. Okay, we have deleted everything from here. Now what we are going to do, as it is given, the say it is given hello for 2 seconds, right? Where it is there? It is there in that looks block. So drag and leave it, say hello for 2 seconds, and then say hello, this operator, right? So say hello. Now these 2 blocks we have inserted. Now they have used less than operator. Then go to the operators, bring out the less operator and snap it inside the second one, hello, right, the first one, okay. And then the answer, we can show the answer. Children, we have typed the number less 2 less than 3 and wait for 2 seconds, and we have to show the answer. Where it is there, we have to bring out the answer from the sensing block. There is an answer, so bring it and snap it inside. So after snapping inside, now the coding is ready to execute. So how we can execute it? We can bring the control operators, control. Let us bring when the flag clicked, bring out, we can bring out anything. When we press a space button, we can click, we can use anything in that. Now let us execute this one, right? Answer true, but it will not show the exact number. It will show whether the answer is true or false. It will show true or false. So this is a way of comparing values. This is a comparing values. In this way only we have to we can use all the operators. We can use all the operators. Here is given less than, greater than, and we can use all type of operators here. But it will not show the numbers. It will show true or false. It will show true or false, right? So in this same way we can do that. And tomorrow's class we can do we can learn the generating the random numbers. Random number means it will generate by itself randomly, right? That's what we can do it. We shall learn tomorrow. So till then, please practice whatever we learned today in that operators. Change the numbers and practice it. Thank you, dear children.